Hey guys, welcome to IPINKIT. My name is Ingrid. I was thinking that I can take you today to the market so we can shop for fresh veggies and fruits. As well, I can teach you a little bit of the basic Turkish I know that allows me to go by at the market. So, what do you think? Shall we start this video? To get the best experience in Istanbul, I will recommend you to go to a Halk Pazare. So basically, this is going to be a market for fresh produce. For example, when you come to a store, they're going to greet you. They're going to say, hi, how are you? So something's gonna be like, merhaba, sen nasılsın? And then you can reply, merhaba, because you're trying to also say hello. But also you can say like çok iyi, which means that you're good. And then you can say çok teşekkürler just to thank them because they ask you. And then just go ahead and say like sen nasılsın just to ask them how are they, and they're going to reply. So when you need help, it's going to be really easy because most of the vegetables and fruits already have the name over there. So you either just grab them or ask for them. Merhaba. Hoş bulduk. That's the reply when they welcome you in a store. This is how you ask for the price. How much ne kadar?
800 lira.
Oh. If they help you, you have to say thank you, like this. Oh, çok teşekkürler. Again, to ask for the price, you say bu ne kadar, but the bu can be switched to the name of the fruit or veggie you're looking for. To ask where something is, you use nerede. İspanak?
Var.
Nerede?
Burada.
Oh, evet. Hoş bulduk. Kiraz bu ne kadar?
Kilo orası 30 lira 20.
Okay.
Hangisinden vereyim?
Bir kilo.
Var 1 kilo kiraz.
Evet. So for example, I'm going to show you this one. So over here you have the name and it says limon. So then you have the limon. So you can either ask how much do they cost. So that will be like limon ne kadar. And then they're going to ask you and they're going to tell you like how much is it. So for example, here you have some havuç. So you got lots of vegetables. This will be like ispanak. And you can actually like see the names. You see all the names listed and they even have prices. But then if they don't have prices, you can ask bu ne kadar and they're going to give you the price for that one. Oh, one thing I have to admit. So these ones are called biber kırmızı, which is like red pepper. Best ones you're ever going to have, honestly. Like I will totally just like to Turkey to have one of these. I'm not kidding. They're really good. Çok teşekkürler. And as simple as that, you just pay for everything and then you're done. Honestly, this is like the best to just come and get some veggies. Alright, so I just came back from the market and I was gonna show you everything that I got. It was basically $14, honestly, like 147. So if you divide 147 by 8.3, then you're actually going to get the amount. So let's do it and I can tell you exactly what it is in dollars. Actually, it's $17. So literally $17 for everything that I'm going to show you. After I'm done showing you everything, we are going to cook a savory meal. I got some kabak. Basically, this is zucchini, but it's just a light green. Then I got some kiraz. Kiraz are in season right now. These are cherries. Let's see what else I got. So I got some havuç. These are basically just carrots. Yeah, so this is really good for cooking. You already know that. Okay, this one's gonna be an easier one. So it's called broccoli, literally just like what we call it in America. This one I also think it's an easy one. So this is ispanak. Basically, it is spinach. I feel like it's very close to espinaca in Spanish. Not so much to English. Alright. I also got some limon. Basically, in the States, we will call this lime. And then this one's my favorite. So this is a bebek kırmızı. Kırmızı means red. And honestly, the flavor that this one gives you is yummy. It's like sweet, but also adds a really nice touch into the dish. So So I'm actually going to be cooking with it, so you get to see it. I also got some potatoes. Over here they call them patatas. Then some avocado. Avocados over here are expensive, and basically in Turkish this will be called avocado. So literally the same. Okay, eggs are the best ones. So these will be plums. I believe they're plums. The ones that I like the most are the green ones. So the green ones are actually on season, but somehow I didn't get to see the egg over there. But they're like really bitter. I love it. Okay, and lastly, I got some mantar. So these are just like white button mushrooms. Oh, and I forgot. So I got also a nectarine. So this will be a shaftali. Honestly, everything that I got, it was only $17. So really cheap. I feel like fresh produce here in Turkey is just more affordable. Alright, so every time that I start cooking, one first thing that I do with my mushrooms is clean them. I get rid of the stem and I just keep the bottoms. So those are the ones that I'm gonna wash. Alright, so basically now that I have the spinach, potatoes, the mushrooms, and also the red pepper, I'm gonna go ahead and add some spices. So from the States, I got some coconut aminos, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. It's gonna add a really nice flavor to these veggies. Then I also have the seasoning, which is basically some paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of salt with sugar. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add these. So one more thing you want to add into this mix is a little bit of water. There you go. And now all you need to do is just make sure that you're constantly stirring this so it doesn't burn. This is where I feel like I cheated, but I already made some black rice, which all I need to do now is make sure that I properly heat it up. I got all the plates over here, so I'm just probably going to use this one. Oh, and it's really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it just to make sure that it doesn't have any allergens, and then I'm going to serve my meal. This is the complete meal. All of the veggies, the avocado, the protein, and then the grains. Alright guys, so this is my final meal. Honestly, I'm super excited. Can't wait to give it a try. I love how I can easily just go to a market, get a few fresh veggies, bring them home and cook. Okay, so the avocado is not as soft as I thought it was going to be, but let me grab a little bit of everything and now let's try. So good. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, that you had a really fun time coming to the market with me, learning a little bit of Turkish in case that you plan on coming, you are vegan, or you happen to have food allergies. Now you know, like, this is my biggest tip that I can ever share with you. Cook at home, enjoy the country. It's honestly very challenging to try to find food that is going to be completely allergen free, but when you rent an Airbnb, when you cook at home, you have full control on what you're eating. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Then leave me a subscribe. So all you need to do is click on this red button down your screen. That way you subscribe to my channel. And then hit the bell once if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video. Apart from that, if you have any friends who are coming to Turkey, share this video with them. Or if you actually want to come, then make sure to also check out my latest video. So I'm going to leave it above and below. That way you learn what to expect when coming to Istanbul. Thank you guys for watching this video. And I'm just gonna go ahead and enjoy my meal, and I'll see you next week with a brand new video. Bye guys.